Top 20 recipes high in protein. Number 1. Egg omelette, protein-rich breakfast for muscle strength. Number 2. Paneer bhurji, high-protein vegetarian option. Number 3. Grilled chicken salad, lean protein with fresh vegetables. Number 4. Chickpea salad, plant-based protein meal. Number 5. Greek yogurt bowl, high protein and gut-friendly. Number 6. Moong dal chilla, healthy protein breakfast. Number 7. Boiled eggs, simple and quick protein source. Number 8. Quinoa vegetable bowl, complete plant protein meal. Number 9. Peanut butter toast, energy and protein packed snack. Number 10. Lentil soup, warm and high protein. Number 11. Paneer tikka, delicious high protein meal. Number 12. Grilled fish, lean protein and omega-3 fats. Number 13. Sprouts, salad, protein rich and nutritious. Number 14. Tofu stir fry, great vegetarian protein option. Number 15. Chicken wrap, healthy protein lunch option. Number 16. Rajma curry, high protein plant meal. Number 17. Protein smoothie, quick protein drink. Number 18. Oats with milk and nuts, protein rich breakfast. Number 19. Almond and nut mix, healthy protein snack. Number 20. Chickpea hummus with veggies, प्रोटीन रिच हेल्थी डिप। आपकी फेवरेट प्रोटीन रेसिपी कौन सी है? कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं और हेल्थी टिप्स के लिए पावर प्लेट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।